In the name of Allah, the Beneficent and the Merciful. Hello everybody, how are you doing? We'll be doing great by the mercy and grace of Almighty Allah. My name's NA Saqib. I'm your IELTS mentor, IELTS trainer. Additionally, been also teaching the students of spoken English the last 20 years at the platform of Genius Institute, Lahore. Dear friends, we are also professional student visa consultants. We accept your applications for UK, Australia, Canada, America and across Europe. Lots of success stories can be found on our YouTube channel, Genius Institute Lahore. Additionally, we are also conducting online classes and on-campus classes. If you're interested in any one of them, you can contact our number given in the description. Dear friends, my today's lecture will be about IELTS Writing Task 2. I'm going to give you some sample questions of problem and solution question type. One of the most important question types. Problem and solution question types or cause or solution question types. Basically, it's a solution question type which is under our discussion today. I'll be giving you lots of question examples which have been seen by students in their papers in 2020. So I'm going to give you those questions and you're going to go do the practice of those questions. And of course, you will write them down and get them checked by some senior IELTS mentor who knows about the nitty-gritty of IELTS and the basic details. What are the fundamental blocks? How to develop a sentence-by-sentence structure? What is a paragraph formula of these certain specific question types? My very important, a lecture of a detailed lecture of this question type, the problem and solution, is already published on YouTube channel Genius Institute Lahore. The duration of that lecture is 35 minutes and 3 seconds approximately. So you can type IELTS problem and solution essay by NA Saqib in your YouTube search bar. Here you are, you'll get it. It's very useful if you're an IELTS student or a prospective IELTS student. What are the highlights of those lectures? Let me tell you about all of them. There are common mistakes which I've discussed regarding this question type, and then I have shown you how to identify and analyze this question type and how to think of ideas, and most importantly, a specific sentence-by-sentence formula or structure of this particular question type has been provided to you. And last but not the least, I have given you a sample question and answer of band score 9. So I hope you will benefit from it and you will get yourself corrected regarding this particular question type. Now I'm going to give you some sample questions and I hope you will also write them down, their answers, and get them checked by some senior IELTS mentor. We also give you essay correction services, but of course they are paid services, and if you want to hire our services, you're welcome. Dear friends, I'm going to give you some now questions, sample questions and answers of, not the answers exactly, only the sample questions, and you will take on all the questions, and then you'll start writing for your maximum practice. And practice is awfully important in overall IELTS, and in writing it's extremely significant. My first question will be like this: in many developing countries there is a problem with declining quality of air and water from both industry and construction. What measures could be taken to prevent this? Solution. So you can understand from these instruction words that this is a perfect example of problem and solution essay type. So you have to use the specific structure accordingly. Question number 2. With the development of social media, more and more youngsters are being allowed unsupervised access to the internet in order to meet and chat with friends, which can lead to potentially dangerous situations. What solutions can you suggest to deal with this problem? Question number 3. Overpopulation in many major urban centers around the world is a major problem. What are the causes of this? How can this problem be solved? Causes and solution, problem and solution, the formula and the structure is the same. Next question. More and more wild animals are on the verge of extinction and others are on the endangered list. What are the reasons for this and what can be done to solve this particular problem? Question number 5. Many small local shops are closing as they are unable to compete with large supermarkets and shopping plazas in the area. How does this affect local communities? And how could this situation be improved? Another example, the last example, an increasing number of professionals such as doctors and teachers are leaving their own poorer countries. What problems does this cause? And what solutions can you suggest to deal with this situation? That's it, my dear friends. I have given you the perfect questions, examples or samples which students have come across in 2020 in their question papers. And if you happen to just write down the answers and get them checked by some senior assignment too, hopefully this problem will be solved for good. I'll see you in another video. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.